there, cooks! Welcome back to another exciting cooking adventure. Today we're making something super yummy from the Philippines, cassava cake. This dessert is not only delicious, but also quite easy to make. It's a real treat, so get ready. You and your family are going to love it. Let's get started. First, let's gather all the ingredients we need. First, the stuff we need. Make sure you have everything ready before we start mixing. You'll need 2 cups of grated cassava. You can either buy it pre-grated or grate it yourself if you prefer fresh cassava. 1 cup of coconut milk. This adds a rich, creamy texture to our cake. 1 cup of condensed milk. It gives the cake its sweetness and a lovely, dense texture. 1 cup of evaporated milk. This will make our cake extra creamy. 1 cup of sugar for that perfect sweetness. And don't forget, 2 eggs, which will help bind everything together. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This will add a wonderful aroma and flavor. 1/4 cup of melted butter. It makes the cake moist and rich. Grated cheese. This is optional, but it's really good. Got it? Great! The cheese adds a unique twist to the cake. Now, the tools. Make sure you have these handy. A big bowl for mixing all our ingredients together. A whisk to mix everything smoothly. Measuring cups to get our quantities just right. A pan for baking. Make sure it's the right size to hold all our batter. A grater, if you're grating fresh cassava. An oven, of course, to bake our cake. Ready? Let's cook! First, turn your oven onto 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Preheating is important to ensure even baking. While it's heating up, grab your mixing bowl. Let's start combining our ingredients. Put in your cassava, coconut milk, condensed milk, evaporated milk, sugar, eggs, vanilla, and melted butter. Make sure to mix them well. Mix it all up really well with your whisk. You want a smooth, consistent batter. Pour everything into your baking pan and make sure it's spread out nicely. This ensures even baking. Here's a secret tip. If you want a super creamy top, save a little bit of evaporated milk and pour it on top halfway through baking. It's so good. Trust me, it makes a big difference. Put the pan in the oven and bake for 45 minutes to an hour. Keep an eye on it. It's ready when the top is golden brown and a toothpick comes out clean. This means it's perfectly baked. While it's baking, let's talk toppings. Grated cheese. It might sound unusual, but it adds a delightful flavor. I know it sounds weird, but it makes the cake even better. The salty cheese complements the sweet cake perfectly. When the cake is done, sprinkle the cheese on top and let it melt a little. This gives it a nice, gooey topping. Okay, your cassava cake is ready. It looks amazing, doesn't it? Let it cool down a bit before you cut it. This helps it set properly. It smells amazing, and it tastes even better. The aroma is just irresistible. So that's how you make a delicious cassava cake. I hope you enjoy making and eating it as much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe for more yummy recipes. Your support means a lot. And check out my YouTube channel, Jecht DIY Video, for more cooking fun. Happy baking! See you next time!